Hello, how are you? Not long until Easter now. How exciting. Today I'm going to show you Little Language Lessons, which is an AI tool that is very cool and useful for our students who are doing the revision at this point in time. And we can use it as well if we are learning a language from scratch or we are just upskilling. So I'm going to show you the different aspects. I'm just going to mention on them. The first one is tiny lesson, then you got slang, and then word come. The slang is for key expressions, idioms, and common day language. Word come is basically a webcam, and you take a picture of you with some items on your hands, and then it gives you the key vocabulary from those items. So it's very useful. But I'm just going to show you in more detail tiny lesson today. So I select the language. In this case, I'm going to just put Spanish from Spain. And the topic, I'm just going to select cinema, generate, and it will give me a key list of vocabulary phrases and tips. Let's have a look at them. There we go. So you got keywords within that theme, which is very useful. For example, if I click on palomitas on the audio icon, it will give me the pronunciation.
Las palomitas.
And then if I click on a different one.
La sesión.
There we go. So it's very useful for revision if students are practicing in their own time. Then the phrases are very practical as well. You got things like me encantan las películas de, and then the género, ¿quieres palomitas? El argumento era muy bueno. So key things are very useful for writing, speaking, for the role play in particular as well. And then the tips are the grammar aspects of that particular area. So you got like verbs like gustar, and then if you click on see more, it concentrates on question words as well. Then if I go back to home, you can go back to the other sections as well, which are very useful too if you want to have a go. Hope you can explore it and let me know how it goes. Gracias!